Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tamara Michelle. I hope y'all have been well and ready for some cleaning motivation, y'all. So I just wanted to open this video up by saying hello and thank y'all for coming over for another video. I really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and join me over here. Also give this video a thumbs up if it gives you the motivation that you need. That helps my channel a whole lot. And also, if you are not following me and my family on our family vlog channel, that way you can learn a little bit more about me, because I feel like y'all don't know a lot about me over here. And I'm just trying to figure out how to juggle both channels. So that information is in the description box below. And I'll also leave it here or a card up here or but we would love for y'all to come over there so you can know and learn a little bit more about who I am, you know, so we can connect a little bit more. So definitely leave me a comment down below to say hello. I would love to chat with you guys, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, you guys, so today's cleaning motivation will be our master bedroom. Yes, I know it's a mess. Please do not judge me. This community is supposed to be a community where we can uplift and motivate each other through our struggles, and also see the progression of an untidy space to a clean space. Just want to remind you of that. But anyway, so I'm going to start with making up the bed so that I can have a clean slate, because I have tons of clothes to fold. The bench that you can barely see at the foot of the bed is full of so many clothes, y'all. This thing, I think I mentioned it before, is just the devil, y'all. Seriously, like, I wash clothes, I have good intentions of folding them up, they don't get folded, they end up on the bench, and then back and forth, and we just play a little tango dance of back and forth with these clothes. But today I'm going to tackle them. So I've gotten the bed made up, and I'm going to start folding all these clothes. You think that I would get tired of doing this and having to dig the clothes from between the footboard and the mattress and all of that, but I guess it just never gets old to me. So I hate when the clothes just pile up like this. But I will say laundry is not one of my favorite things to do. I'll wash, you know, all day long, but as far as folding and putting up, y'all, that is not my thing. Just, it's not. I've been really thinking about replacing all the towels with one color towels, meaning all the towels in the washcloths will match. That's just not something that I had done in the past. You know, I would just buy towels that I liked. I really didn't think about them matching at all. So leave it in the comment section if you guys only purchase towels that match each other. I mean, I really like the look or whatever. I just really never thought about it. So I would really like to know, like, how many of you guys like actually match your towels and your face cloths. I know it may seem gross with looking at me sniffing some of the clothing, but sometimes my husband will take his clothes off in the evening time, and they're either on the side of the bed or they're on the bench, and then they get mixed up sometimes or whatever. So yes, it frustrates me. So sometimes I have to do this. So sorry if it seems gross, but leave it in the comment section if any of your significant other or spouse love to keep their clothes on the side of the bed. Yeah, and I'm guilty of it sometimes, but I'm just curious.
You know you're my savior and my western wind.
Now that I have everything folded, I'm just going to take the rest of these clothes and put these away, and all the other clothes that I put to the side, those I'm going to hang up in the closet, and then I'll be done with the clothes.
Time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin.
Next, I'm just going to start cleaning the wood furniture. I'm still using the Indust. I still love it. I still love the way it smells. I still love the way it cleans and shines. So if you haven't tried it, y'all, use it. It's really good, and it's not that expensive as well. As you can see, we have clothes everywhere, like a chair, a bench, it doesn't matter. Like, those things in your room just makes it easy access for you to just throw clothes all over. So I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that has either an ironing board, a chair, or a bench or something that you end up throwing clothes on. So we just have them everywhere. So I'm just gonna get these hung up and then also clean off the computer table. I am in the market for a smaller but prettier computer table for the room, since the computer, my computer is now in the room. It was in the living room, but to save space, I put it in here. So I am going to hopefully within the next couple months try to find a prettier computer table, and also one that's a little more compact that won't take up room, because I don't want the computer table to be an eyesore in the room. So hopefully I can find one that'll work nicely in here. And lastly, the entrance to the master bath. So this is basically when you walk in the master bath, to the left is the closet and to the right is the actual bathroom with the shower and the toilet and linen closet. So this area you see, you know, if we leave the doors open when you walk in the room, and it's a landing zone like for everything. Like it's so much going on over here. I thought it was a good idea to put this tray here that I can keep everything, you know, in one place. But when it gets out of hand, it really gets out of hand.
We got this.
So I'm using the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner to clean the countertops off. I really wish this came in other scents, or maybe just my Target does not carry many of these. It's the only one that I have seen, and I really hate the mint, just a regular bathroom cleaner. I hate that one. Like, I really wish that comes in another smell, or like I said before, maybe my Target just does not carry any other ones. I may have to look on the Grove website to see if I can find some other ones, because I feel like I'm so limited there. So hopefully I can find something else.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding on. Remember the day we first met and the love we found, dancing in the darkness. I won't let you run. In your arms I can't get close.
Now for the mirror, I'm just using just some regular Dollar Tree glass cleaner, and what makes the difference with using this is getting you a good microfiber cloth. Now these aren't expensive. I just found a multi-pack from Walmart and they work pretty good. I have not tried the e-cloths yet. I've heard good things about those. You just use water or whatever. Hadn't gotten there yet, but this has been working just fine in the meantime. So lastly, I'm just going to vacuum the bathroom and then move to vacuuming the bedroom, and I will be finished with my cleaning for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get up and get something done around your home. You know, look, we just have to get it done no matter how it ends up. You know, just hopefully the finished product is a clean space. So we just have to take our time and do what we can. So I hope it motivated you guys. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, y'all. I'm trying to grow over here. And also, if you have watched and enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It'll just let you know when I create and publish other videos like these. So I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have the most amazing week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.